I'm going to come around and check your preparation sheet. So just have that where I can see it. I need it on the Socratic seminar side. While I'm doing that, Ashlyn's passing out your rubrics. So when you get your rubric, turn it to the self side and you can put your name on it. So take me just a second. I can see it. You're good. Okay. So everybody has their preparation sheet that we got ready yesterday. Remember, this gave you a chance to kind of look over the two different texts, decide what sort of answers you're going to put on there. You should have some textual support in front of you, so you're prepared to have the discussion that we're going to have today. Remember that our focus with Socratic is always to use the text for whatever answers we're giving. So you want to use the text to support your answers. You can use what you already have on your paper, but we can also pull from the text since it's in front of us. So there are all sorts of ways we can use that. We're going to do this the same way we always do. So we'll start with inside circle. We'll have about a 6 or 7 minute discussion, and then we'll take a 1-minute coaching break, and then we'll do another round. So during that coaching break, your coach should be letting you know what you need to do to get to that goal level. Right now, everybody should be looking at the self side of their rubrics. You have your self side and your peer side. Go ahead and put your name at the top. And then down at the bottom where it says my goal for today, I want you to write a specific goal. So not just your grade. Obviously, we all like the A's. If you're putting that you want an A, then pick one of the specific actions from that A category and say something that you want to do there. Now, some of you guys are very active in the discussions every time we have them, and you always get an A on Socratic. So if that's you and you may feel like that you're a little too talkative, well, then maybe today your goal is to back down a little bit and help someone else get involved. So go ahead and pick a specific action that can be your goal for today and write that down. All right, once you have your goal, you can go ahead and give your rubric to your peer coach. Coaches, go ahead and put your name at the bottom of the rubric. So on the side where it says peer, you'll just put your name. And remember, we're looking for those observable different characteristics or actions. You'll notice under our proficient level, so our B, I made one little change. We've been doing these throughout the year. This is probably our 4th or 5th Socratic seminar this year. So as we go along, the expectations are getting a little bit higher because you guys know how to have these conversations. Under your B level, you'll see that it talks about how you verbally participate. I want you to make sure, one second, Braxton. Make sure that in order to be proficient, your partner has to verbally participate at least twice. And there's your checklist of how they can do that. So I need at least 2 verbal participations in order to be proficient before they can move into the A category.